In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on Asana. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable routine that keeps your day clear and focused without bouncing between dozens of project pages. First, begin every workday in the My Tasks tab. This is your personal command center because it pulls together everything assigned to you across all projects in one clean view. Open it up and take a calm, intentional moment to scan the full list. You're not doing the work yet, you're just getting oriented. Notice what's on your plate, which items are coming up soon, and anything that looks heavier or more time sensitive. Treat My Tasks as your home base throughout the day. Whenever you feel pulled in different directions, return here and reset your focus based on what's actually assigned to you. Next, prioritize your view so the most important work rises to the top. Start by sorting tasks by due date. This instantly lays out what's due today, what's coming tomorrow, and what can wait. Seeing your deadlines in order helps prevent surprises and keeps you honest about what truly needs attention now. If you have multiple tasks due the same day, glance at their size and complexity to pace your energy. A quick win early can build momentum, while a larger item might deserve a dedicated block of uninterrupted time. From there, use My Tasks sections to fine-tune your day. Keep a section like recently assigned as your intake area, a place where new work lands before you decide where it fits. Then create clarity by moving the handful of items you intend to tackle into a Do Today section. Think of Do Today as your shortlist, not your wish list. Be selective so you can actually finish what you commit to and leave room for the unexpected. Everything else can remain below, still visible and accessible, without stealing your attention. As you work, let this prioritized view guide your flow. When you complete something in Do Today, return to My Tasks, take a breath, and pick the next most time-sensitive or impactful item. If your day changes, and it will, adjust the order or move tasks in and out of Do Today so the plan reflects reality. The power here isn't perfection, it's having a single trustworthy place to make decisions quickly. That's the routine. Start in My Tasks to see your full workload, sort by due date to create urgency and clarity, and use sections like Recently Assigned and Do Today to focus your energy where it matters most. Keep it consistent, keep it realistic, and let Asana do the organizing so you can do the work.